Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Darun. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, subject Applied Chemistry for CSC stream, topic E-Waste Management. Today we are going to discuss about E-Waste Management. E-Waste Management. Introduction. Waste can be take any from that is solid, liquid or gases. Waste water is any substances which is discarded after primary use. Example, municipal solid waste, hazard waste, water waste, biomedical waste, electronic waste, e-waste, etc. Waste management is defined as all the activities and actions required to manage waste from its collection to its final disposal. Source of e-waste: electronic devices such as TVs, computers, monitors, laptops, and display devices, telecommunication devices such as cell phones, calculators, audios and videos devices, printers, scanners, fax machines, etc. Electronic components such as sensors, alarms, sirens, security devices, automobiles, electronic devices, kitchen equipments, coffee makers, micro ovens, laboratory equipments, hot plates, microscopes, microwaves, ovens. In that composition of e-waste, valuable metals like gold, platinum, silver, and palladium, useful materials like copper, aluminum, iron, etc. Hazard substances like radioactive isotopes and mercury, plastics like polystyrene, polycarbonate, polyphenol oxide, etc. Toxic materials used in the manufacture electronic and electrical products. Circuit boards contains lead, cadmium. CR monitors contains lead, barium. Flat screen monitors switches contains mercury. Rechargeable batteries contains cadmium, lead, sodium. Presence of heavy metals like cadmium, chromium, nickel, gold and silver. Health hazards due to explode to waste, e-waste. Lead damages central nervous system, cadmium damages kidneys, mercury damages central nervous system and kidney, carbon black causes carcinogenic effects, PVC wire insulation causes carcinogenic effect, dioxins furans affects gastro installation, DNA damages advise birth effect. Composition of e-waste: valuable metals like gold, platinum, silver, and palladium. Useful metals like copper, aluminum, iron, etc. Hazard substances like radioactive isotopes and mercury. Plastic like polystyrene, polycarbonate, polyphenol oxide, etc. Recycling and recovery of e-waste. The following are the different approaches to recycles and recovery of e-waste. First one, hydrometallurgy extraction, pyrometallurgy extraction, direct recycle. In that, we are going to discuss about hydrometallurgy process. This method was used to extract valuable metals like copper, gold, and silver from e-waste. It involves the following steps for recovery of metals from e-waste: permanent stage, chemical stage, and metal recovery. Pyrometallurgy process. It involves the following steps for recovery of metals from e-waste. First one, permanent stage, and second one, metal recovery stage. First one, permanent stage. It involves the physical separation of metal components from e-waste. It involves the dismantling the e-waste into its components parts such as circuit boards, plastics, and metals parts. The different parts are the sorted and separated based on their composition. Second one, metal recovery. In these steps, by using methods like roasting, smelting, combustion, and incretion pyrolysis, the useful metals are recovered from e-waste. Roasting. In this step, e-waste is heated below its melting point in the process of oxygen for oxidation. Smelting. In this step, e-waste is reduced to metal by heating with carbon at high temperature. It gives mixture of metal slurry. Direct recycle. It is a process that involves breaking down electronic devices into their individual components and the recycling those components with the need for further process. It involves the following steps. First one, collection and transportation, disassembly, sorting, recycle. Collection and transportation. E-waste is collected and transported to the recycling faculties. Disassembly. electronic devices are disassembled by hand or by using special equipment. The process separates the various components of the devices such as plastic, circuit boards and metal. Sorting. The separated components are sorted by material type. Example, plastic are separated from metals. Different types of metal are separated from each other. Recycling. The separated materials are the recycled. Example, plastic may be melted down and molded into new products. Extraction of gold from e-waste. It involves the following steps: pre-treatment stage, chemical treatment stage, metal recovery. Pre-treatment stage. It involves the physical separation of metal component from the e-waste. Technique are used: gravity separation, electrostatic separation, magnetic separation, etc. Chemical treatment stage. It involves the leaching and targeted metals by treating with opportunity chemical reagents. The cyanide leaching is the most common method used to extract gold. When the gold contains e-waste, treatment with sodium salt of 3-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid with potassium cyanide and in the presence of oxygen gives a diacarbonate gold complex. 4Au plus 8Cn plus O2 plus H2O gives rise to 4AuCN2 plus 4OH. Metal recovery stage. In this stage, gold metal can be recovered from the obtained complex using methods like electroprecipitation, solvent extraction, ion exchange, precipitation, etc. Electrodeposition. In this method, pure gold metal are taken as cathode and inert anode as dipped in the obtained leached complex solution. When the current is applied, gold is electroprecipitated on cathode. Role of stakeholders in environmental management of e-waste: producers, consumers, recyclers, saturated bodies. Consumer: the accountability to pay green tax, to develop self-awareness on the e-waste management and involve in the awareness program, returning back of e-waste to collect and test. Producers: the accountability to collect green tax, charging an additional amount on consumer during selling of e-products and returning it with interest at the time of exchanging of products. Forming the group of manufacturers who monitors and encourage the recycling of e-waste, bearing the transport and cost collection fees to easy collection process. Purchase the recycled materials at fixed value and using of recycled e-waste during manufacturing, giving discount to consumer on basic of e-waste generated from graduated recyclers. The accountability of recycling unit is dismantling. Establish the collection units and the group of people who can ensure return back of e-products by consuming in exchange. Offer: collect the e-waste from the collection units, dealers or retailers, providing incentives when proper collection of e-waste are assured by collection units. Recycling the metals from e-waste. Saturated bodies: to collect the green tax from the consumer through producer, apply some extra charges on the producer's manufacturing units in the form of penalty when no proper recycling of e-waste. Provide the incentivity in the form of subsidy to recyclers and collectors when recycling of e-waste is monitored properly. To conduct program of awareness in the society about importance of e-waste recycling in reduction of hazard substances. Thank you for watching.